Ẹ mo ṣe ń bá bọ̀ kó tó di pé lọ sójú ọjà lẹ́ẹ̀kan. Mo ní lónìí ohun tí a fẹ́ bára sọ ni pé ìgbà tó jẹ́ pé àwẹ̀ Ramadan ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ kúrò tó ti ń pẹ̀sọ̀ ẹbọ ẹnubodò díẹ̀díẹ̀ tí a ti gba àwẹ̀ náà tán báyìí. Ohun tí a nílò láti bára sọ nípa sleep disorder. A ti sọ sleep disorders náà rí nígbà kan pé bí àìróorun sùn oríṣiríṣi. A mọ̀ pé gbogbo ìgbà tí àwẹ̀ fi wà yìí, à ń jí ní sáàrì, à ń ṣe sáàrì, a tún ṣe àdúrà. Ìgbà mìíràn wà tó jẹ́ pé ọ̀pọ̀ ìgbà ni àwọn mìíràn kì í padà sùn, tó jẹ́ pé ó ti wá ní ipa kan àbí òmíràn báyìí, tó jẹ́ pé tí àwẹ̀ bá lọ tán, ó má jẹ́ yí pé ó máa di pé wọn ò ní máa róorun sùn. Àwọn ọ̀nà tí a lè gbà, ohun tí a lè ṣe. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ ṣe mọ̀ lórí ètò pé ohun oríṣiríṣi báyìí tí ó lè wúlò fún ìlera wa náà la máa ń bára wa sọ. Ṣé rí pé nígbà tí àwẹ̀ wà, ẹlòmíà jí kalẹ̀ ní aago 3. Tí àwẹ̀ ṣe ń lọ tán yìí, ó ṣeé ṣe fún bí ọ̀sẹ̀ 2 kí ẹlòmíì sì máa jí kalẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀. Tó bá wá ń jí kalẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀, ó máa rí pé mi ò máa róorun sùn, mi ò máa róorun sùn. Ló bá lọ ra oògùn oorun, ló bá ń kàkà pọ̀ láti lò láti sùn. Kò rí bẹ́ẹ̀ rárá o. Pẹ̀lú ìgbà péréte láàrin ọ̀sẹ̀ kan sí ọ̀sẹ̀ 2 nìsín, a tún padà bọ̀ wá sípò tí ẹ pé àsìkò tá à ń sùn a ó lè máa sùn padà. Ni ó fi jẹ́ pé a tún wò pé lórí ètò yìí lónìí kí a tún bára wa sọ̀rọ̀ nípa sleep disorder. A ti sọ rí ní orí ètò yìí pé ká tún fi òye yéra wa pé ká má ròyìn pé nítorí pé ìgbà táwẹ̀ wà tá à ń jí sáàrì o àbí pé à ń ṣàdúrà o, ẹlòmíì gan wà tó jẹ́ pé ó tiẹ̀ tún sùn jù ní nígbà àwẹ̀ torí pé kí bá ti di bí ọwọ́ ọ̀sán, gbogbo ọ̀sán yẹn oorun ló tún fi ń sùn. Tó bá rí bá lọ́wọ́ ẹ lọ tán nìsín, ó lè tún máa lè róorun sùn bẹ́yẹn mọ́. Ó máa rò pé àwọn òun àtúrò oorun sùn. Ẹlòmíì wà tó jẹ́ pé àìsùn tiẹ̀ ó ti pọ̀ gan tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ tó ti pile up. Kọ́mọ̀ tó wá di pé jẹ́ kí n tún ra oògùn oorun. Ló fi jẹ́ pé ẹ jẹ́ ká fún ní gbèdéke bí ọ̀sẹ̀ kan sí ọ̀sẹ̀ 2 sísìn. Láàárín ọjọ́ 10 ní ìsìn báyìí, a ti lè padà, ó pẹ́ jù ní ọjọ́ 10 bí àárín ọ̀sẹ̀ kan, a ti lè padà bọ̀ sí bí a ṣe ń sun oorun wa, a ti padà sí normal way of sleeping. Ló fi jẹ́ pé gbogbo eléyìí ló yẹ ká dára wa lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ní ìgbà tí Ramadan ti ń tẹnu gbọdọ̀ báyìí pé a lè máa rí pé à ń jí kalẹ̀ lóru o. Ohun tí a nílò láti ṣe ni pé ká mọ̀ pé kíní ló ṣẹlẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ torí pé kíni fún bí oṣù kan sẹ́yìn là ń jí lóru. Tá bá wá jí ní àsìkò yìí, ohun tí a nílò láti ṣe ni pé ká sì wà ní orí ibùsùn wa, oorun máa wá láti kùn wá torí pé kíni ó ti mọ́ wa lára ni. Tó bá fi máa di bí ọ̀sẹ̀ kan, a yí ìbọn mẹ́tẹ́ pé a lè máa sùn bí a ṣe ń sùn tẹ́tẹ́lẹ̀, a ní oore ọ̀fẹ́ náà. Today, we like to discuss about sleep disorders. We've discussed about this issue before, but for the benefit of the Muslim brothers and sisters, we need to bring this back to our memory that we may have difficulty in sleeping again, or we may be having issue with our sleeping. So the more reason why we need to educate ourselves on this today, that we may have such problem that we shouldn't go and buy sleeping dose to aid the sleeping. No, it's because of the situation, and the situation is about going now, so that when we come back again in the next 1 week, we'll be able to balance with our normal system. Sleep disorder, like we discussed the other time, is a condition that frequently impacts one's ability to get enough quality sleep. It is a change in sleeping patterns. If you see this sleep disorder, it is varying. We have types of sleep disorders. We have insomnia. This one is the commonest one. It's the common type of sleep disorder. And this one that we are talking about is the difficulty in falling asleep, waking up often during the night, and having trouble to go back to sleep. And this always happens. And for one reason or the other, at times, there may be reason for that. Number one, if such thing is happening, it may be as a result of medication. Some do go to toilet, maybe when they have one issue or the other, and the doctor prescribes some drugs for them, and these drugs make them to go to toilet like 2 or 3 times. So automatically, when they wake up at night, they won't be able to go back to sleep. They will find it difficult to sleep. And some may be having anxiety, depression, as a result of that, they just sit down at the middle of the night thinking about it. It depends on the causes of this thing. We must find out the cause so that we'll be able to know the medication or the application to give such sleep disorder. That's why I say, when anything is happening to you, make sure that you see the doctor. The doctor will be able to ask questions, be able to diagnose you better, because you can't just say, okay, because I've not been able to sleep, let me go to the place and buy the drugs. No, you don't just go to pharmacy and buy drug. You must see your doctor, explain to the doctor will take one or two things from your explanation so that you'll be able to diagnose the kind of sleep disorder you are having at that particular time. There is one called obstructive sleep apneas. These sleep apneas occur to those who have a respiratory problem. At times, some people with obesity people, those that are obese, they do have it at times because they will find it difficult to sleep and they will be waking up at the middle of the night as well. So it is when they complain to the doctor that they are unable to breathe very well, because that's one of the characteristics of those who have that obstructive sleep apnea. They find it difficult to breathe during sleep, blockage of the airway that results in slowing and some other things with them. So once they get to the hospital and they tell the doctor that this is the way I'm feeling, the doctor will be able to know that this is sleep apnea. So not everything that is insomnia. I have something just say I have insomnia. Okay, let me buy drug. I just want to. I went to pharmacy and I told her that I need this, so I need that. No, it is wrong. Go to the doctor. Let doctor diagnose you. This is what you are having, so that the doctor will be able to know the kind of drugs to give you or the advice that the doctor will give you. At times, you may need advice from doctor, not drug. It's not a medical issue, but when you go to doctor, the doctor will be able to prescribe for you if there is need for you to take drug, or to advise you on do's and don'ts before you go to bed. The computer and all those things, they will not be able to sleep when they go to bed. Like you are thinking about this, you are thinking about that, and you say you are unable to sleep, or you woke up at the middle of the night, you are unable to sleep. So this is the cause of it. So it is when the doctor know exactly what is wrong with you that will be able to tell you the next thing to do. Likewise, we have restless leg syndrome. This one is a situation that it is irresistible urge to move the legs. Tí àwọn Yorùbá máa ń pè ní jíjarunpá, ẹni á máa ju ẹsẹ̀ báyìí tó bá sùn. So oríṣiríṣi ni eléyìí, ó máa ń jẹ́ pé ọ̀pọ̀ ìgbà nígbà mìíràn ni ó jẹ́ pé ẹlòmíì máa ń jogún ẹ̀ ni, tí ó jẹ́ pé ó máa ń ṣẹlẹ̀ sẹ́lòmíì. There is another one called narcolepsy, uncontrollable episode of falling asleep.